keep on breaking my heart. You tore it to pieces and ripped me apart. I got you.
Good morning, guys. It is Father's Day. Father's Day, Father's Day, Father's Day.
Mommy.
And on the agenda for Father's Day today, we have church, and then we have a little Father's Day get together at my parents' house, honoring all the men. And you know, I got a father in my life, and then I got a daddy, a baby daddy in my life too. So
You could give me a half a tongue.
I'm talking. Is this my channel or Leanna's channel?
I just want to say hi.
Come on this side.
But I have my slippers on.
Oh, okay. Well, you can say hi when we go. Let's go give, so we're going to go, if you guys don't know, we live with Levin's parents. So we're going to go downstairs and give him,
I'm going to give him Papa cards.
Yeah, we're going to give
Papa his cup.
Yeah, so we're going to give Pop-Up a card and a cup to honor him for Father's Day. So we're just waiting on Z to put his slippers on or find him. Z, did you find your slippers?
No.
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, click the notification button to know when I drop a video, and get caught up on all my old videos. I'm actually excited for today. It said it was gonna rain, but it seems like it's gonna be nice outside because I wanted to wear a dress. I was gonna wear that black dress, babe, but I think I want to save it for a date night next week.
I wear my Barbie.
You wanna wear your Barbie dress?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You don't wear a dress, buddy.
What shirt do you want to wear? You want Batman shirt? You want a Batman shirt?
You guys, I'm tired. I did not get much sleep last night. Plus, my tooth has been acting up. I need to get a tooth pulled. Oh my gosh, it was just a combination of disaster. But it allowed me to get up at the time that I wanted to get up. This morning.
We went to pick Avery and Zai up, and we saw a tooth and took it out.
We saw a turkey too.
Yeah, it's what bites someone.
Yeah, by somebody. All right, guys.
Mama.
Come on, children. Okay, be very careful. You got it?
Mama.
I'm a big mama. Wait, Leia, wait. Say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Say, oh, good morning.
As he obviously didn't pose a threat to anyone.
Good morning.
You can open it.
And he's double cupping.
Oh, it's so sweet. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. I mean, you want yours.
Here you go.
Oh. I like this. Puma cannot use. Tell Puma she cannot use my cup. Go tell her. Yeah, tell her. Say that's Grandpa's cup.
It's just that I'm not getting in between.
Go tell Puma. Says that's Grandpa's cup.
Discuss the officer's
Not
use of
Puma.
force. Those may argue that tasing Mr. McCollum 6 times is realistically excessive.
That's his Puma. You know he was going to be a traitor. You knew he was going to be a traitor.
Policies and procedures.
Got it?
It stated that
Thank you.
employees
Okay, come on, guys. Let's go give Dada his gift.
Okay.
I know you've been waiting for Father's Day for so long.
Yeah.
You love holiday forever
Boys.
for all the boys. Who's holding the card?
It's the card.
Z, come here. Come take the card. Wait, hold on. Here. Don't give it to him yet. Wait. Okay, Z. Z, get it off the table. Okay. Go ahead.
Dada! Open eyes now.
Hey. Oh, thank you. I'm like a chimney.
That got you stocking.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, so aggressive.
Thank you, Princess. Thank you, Z.
Okay, just give him the whole cup. Give him no. Give him the whole cup. Give him the cup.
Thank
There you go.
Oh. Oh yeah. Show the kids.
Yeah, fire.
Oh.
Yeah, fire.
No, you can't touch that. It's hot. I need
And then inside of it is just they gave up a bag, so if you wanted to put your cigars in it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it.
This is from the liquor store.
Mhm.
Oh, that's dope.
I know. I remember you saying that you needed a whatever it's called.
I will open cards for you.
No,
No,
that'll
I'll
open. That'll open his car.
But
So you gotta read the cup, babe. Read the cup. Read the cup.
That's me. This is a nice cup too.
How'd you like it?
I love you too.
Thank
Thank you. Not again, Z. It's gonna waste the what's it called? Oh,
Bless you. The flame.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know why the lighting is like that. I gotta change it. They were never supposed to take the cigars out of the cup. They were supposed to give him the cup, but they went in there and but a little sweet little treat until I can do something bigger to honor the man in my life, the father of my children, the captain of my ship. Are you happy with your gift, baby?
Yeah,
Alright guys, so right now I'm about to just clean up the room, and then once the room is clean I'm about to get the kids in the shower, then I'm gonna get in the shower and get dressed so we can get ready and head out to church. Alright guys, so I didn't bother recording myself because I was running out of time and we're actually running a little late. I didn't know we had to put air in the tire. But we are on our way. Nevertheless, a motorcycle?
No, motorcycle. Mommy, we going to church.
Okay. But yeah, so we're on our way right now to church. I actually record at my church, so I'll try to get some clips of me. If not, I'll just insert clips of the sermon for today. But I'm just glad we made it out the house before 11. But yeah. You want to ride a motorcycle? Look what you did. Look at my handsome. Everybody put down in the comments, Happy Father's Day. He's so handsome. Look at him. He looks so good. Yeah, he's going to church with us. Look at my babies. They look so good. Say hi, guys.
Minnie Mouse.
Her Minnie Mouse shit.
No, I did.
You're right there, Zakari. Yes, your dress. And I had to put some shorts under her dress because your girl's she's thick.
Understand the word, because when we come into our faith, we're trying to be so holier than thou, but not holy. Holier than thou means that I'm outside of my humanity and I am walking in perfection. Holier than thou means that I know and you don't, so I'm in a better place than you are. Holier than thou means that I know more scriptures than you know, so I must have God better than you have God. That's holier than thou. I have the right skirt on. That's holier than thou. I know how to speak, God. That's holier than thou. That's not holy. Holy is when you are set apart for God's own heart. Holy is when you're walking in obedience unto God. Holy is when you're surrendered to God. Holy is the humble part of you. That's holy. And because we are trying to attain holier than thou, we are always disappointed. Because we are trying to be the world's way of Christianity, we are always frustrated and lost.
Alright guys, so church just ended. I'm gonna get copyrighted. I can't.
Bye, baby.
Bye, I'll see you guys at the house.
This way.
That way, Liam.
I'll see you at the house.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot.
Oh Lord. Ooh, smell good. Come on, Z. In the house, in the house.
Good.
Hi, parents of the little people.
Ah!
You don't know the code on there?
No, your shoulder went to my throat. She's sipping on Jeepa.
She made me a Mai Tai lemonade with lime and lemon.
Oh, nice. Fancy. This is my Padre. Say happy Father's Day in the comments to my father.
Happy Father's Day.
No, they're supposed to say to you.
Yeah, say it to me.
How's your leg doing?
Thank you, buddy.
Hello, party people.
Hi. Hi, sweetie.
Hi. Whoa,
you
got your
missed
cheeks
me.
on the camera. I have you in the beginning.
200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top, all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks, the drink. We drunk and talking, and I think she thinks I'm cool. See,
How does that get to?
No, wait, let her finish.
Because I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm flabbergasted.
And then guess what? That. And then I got from my school was crazy. And then all of a sudden, I did this. No, it was A.S. as well.
Oh, he was talking about his penis.
Again.
Yeah, and then I was like, can't we use a different word, like chink or something? And
then Jesus said, the woman's.
So she said the other word. Yeah, and then I was like, we don't call it that either. And then everybody was like, we call it a flower. And I was like, much better.
So did
This is the car ride.
Well, you know they roll
The Play-Doh into little. No, let her describe it. Let her describe her story.
I said it's balls, right? So the reason why the
needs our help.
Okay, give me 1 second. Go.
No.
Jeanette will kick her butt
right now.
Oh, okay.
Let her not detail.
So our twins. What?
She started it. She said, no, well, he started it and then she pinged off and then Avery went in and I was just trying to breathe because I was laughing so hard. I was like, what is this happening? My stomach hurt so bad. I had tears coming down.
And then they went in. Them tears started.
And then everything they said after that was just inappropriate. It was like, ping, ping, ping.
This car conversation.
Is that the right age?
Yeah.
They're the ones who brought it up.
But you have to realize their friends in school, that's how they talk. So I learned, even as a young kid, it's better that they learn from their family than outside, because outside they can get all kinds of stories.
Yeah.
Okay, we really overdid the biscuits.
Oh, we did?
No, I'm saying like we have more than many biscuits.
Yeah, because they were just
now was waiting. Like I was like,
she was waiting.
Oh God, it was so traumatizing. So and they were even younger because we were at your house. So whenever that was, and we're in like the old room, the kitchen room. And Jazz was like, no, I don't want to talk about it.
Jasmine's always been traumatized by it.
And Jen was like, I'm talking, and I'm, going through, and then Jen goes, and I was like, where did you get that from?
No, we didn't go that far. We didn't go that far.
I don't know. She was waiting because she had heard someone say it. She was like, it's because someone at school said it. And I was so mortified because I wasn't ready for that level of conversation. Like
their age, 10 and 11.
They're talking about some of these kids. Let's think about the world
these kids talk.
We're talking about 6-year-olds now because the world we live in. Some kid was like 2nd grade brought a movie magazine to school years ago. Whatever they're exposed to, they're exposed to.
Yeah.
So other people are exposing their kids to information.
You are twins.
Trust
When
me.
Janelle told me he says penis now, I was like, I'm sorry, what? It's not a ting-ting anymore? That's all I knew.
Oh, that's gone.
No, it's not.
That's gone.
When we came back from the
Their
hospital.
age, no, I'm saying their age, they
No,
don't,
I choose to.
they don't do
You
ting.
can believe it all you want,
Ting
but
ting is
clearly
like
after
a-
this conversation don't have to be open up.
I was like, I'm sorry, what just came out of Avery's mouth?
No, but you know what? When Kiona, I remember I was talking to Kiona's teacher about something. They were talking about sex at school. They caught little kids, elementary, in the locker room. In school, elementary.
And then you have to deal with the fact that some of them have been, have been molested or abused. So they're already exposed to
Their perspective,
they're exposed to the act of it.
Yeah.
Not just to the conversation.
Which is crazy because, like, to them, that's like a normal.
It's normal.
thing.
And especially if it's like other kids that they're dealing with and they're exposed to that.
Yeah, that's something that always stuck with me, or what you said about like never judge
A woman,
a woman, because you never know.
Wow.
And I say it too, like if I'm having
there's a
conversations,
preacher that
and
said
stuff
that
like that,
too.
like you never.
He
We
said
just
so.
When they were growing up, I would always tell them never judge other girls by what they're doing.
If they're promiscuous.
Because you don't know why. No girl comes into the world like, I just want to do these things. I just want to give myself away.
Yeah.
Their experiences open them up to that. That doesn't mean that that's what they want. Even in the moment, that
Not what
we
they
can be
want.
honest. As women, we can have sex and not.
It's that attention, the affection we're looking for.
For the men.
Too small.
I didn't know I had it
How am I
open.
gonna make
I
a
just
plate?
found out last night.
You can make
I would.
you can make those, Nana.
It's too, look at it.
That's what she said.
Will you stop?
I met the lady.
Granny and my auntie Kiona made all this food.
Yeah. I met the lady last night and she was like, today's my last day. I was like, wait, you're leaving today?
Oh, the 3 to 11 lady?
Zakari's upstairs. Yeah, he's upstairs.
That's why I said I'm going to end up with a lot of doubles. Because there's no play right now.
Wait, what's your new position?
I'm the switchboard operator, so like any calls, any...
Here, I'll help you. Who's that for?
Any electrical issues.
You wink, I wink back, and man, I think that we have something proper like bartender.
I'll take it away.
You gotta put cheap stuff in there, because that's for display.
Oh.
Yeah, right.
Isn't that cool?
Show it.
Oh, let's go.
Let me see.
Yeah, all the time, and there's nothing Bud can do about that.
That's true. Well, that he's gonna apply pressure. I think the dumbest thing Crawford could do is go toe to toe with him.
That's what I'm saying.
He's gonna have to box him.
That's what I'm saying. But if Bud, your paper towel, it's just a fighter. Only gonna take
Paper towels over
3 rounds of him getting punched in the stomach until he doesn't want to punch him back. You know what I'm saying? You know how it is.
Their right toe is definitely gonna be like a old school fight. It's gonna be.
I think it'll start out slow and then it's gonna be like, nah. Because they both are like great body fighters too. They'll spend me punching like older people. You got something
I dreamed about drowning in an ocean made of orange soda last night. It took me a while to figure out I was just fantasy.
Yeah?
Look at this. Somebody look at this. So the men are having their men time with a cigar for Father's Day. Hold on.
Don't fall in. I ain't going.
There you go.
I can't go in. Thank you.
We know that, Chucky.
Is it dry?
Yeah, it's a little dry.
You know how you like the way you light it like that? Put the torch in front of it. Blow it right to the center of it, and then puff, like push out like this.
Push out, yeah.
Don't be at the same time.
Oh, it's it.
Yep. Push out. Yep. There you go. There you go.
Where's Jordan?
Bathroom.
He's gonna party.
You got them bad guts, huh?
The bubblies.
You got the bubbles.
The bubble.
Alright, now you guys can come down. Come on, guys. Let's go.
You got it? Does she know how to go down those stairs?
For the most part, yeah.
Oh.
Go slow, Donnie.
Can you grab those diapers for me and put them in the trash? Thank you. Yeah, look at you guys in your helmet. Oh, oh. Take turn. Zakari, relax. Relax. Stop. Lonnie, now you can go first. Ladies first.
Molly, get your pink one.
Malani, get your pink one. I don't think this one's yours, baby.
Oh, yeah, that one's broken.
Go ahead.
Oh, you strong, girl. You strong. Oh.
At least she's stronger than Crystal.
Zaire, if you don't shut your trap.
Yeah, it's Father's Day. And I'm about to be,
You're not about to be a father.
I'll be a father soon.
What? He said it's Father's Day, and I'll be a father soon. No, you won't. You have what?
girlfriend.
Zaire, watch your. I'm gonna tell your mom.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell your mom. So yeah.
Hi, bud. Lonnie, do you want me to get the wagon?
So we're going for a walk. It
want me to
is
get the wagon?
hot out here. Nani, say hi.
Hi.
See.
You sure?
And the kids have their scooters, the bigger kids have their bikes. My mom has her bike. I'm just walking with my cup. And yeah, I'm really enjoying this Father's Day. Probably the best Father's Day we spent together since being together. And I cannot get my shoe. I cannot get my shoe in. Ugh. Cannot get my shoe in. Look at that, you're on the bike.
Don't touch Nani's bike.
Oh.
Did you get a new camera yet?
No. I still have the two that I have. I don't think I need to get a whole brand new camera. I just need to get a new lens.
My camera's broken. They give me a
Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. You're welcome. You see the horsey? You saw the horse, buddy? Did you like it? Have a good day. Have a good one. Look at those horses.
So pretty. Look at it.
Go, let it go. So we decided to come out and swim, which is kind of a bad idea now because it's a little chilly. It was hot on the water, and now it's cold. So pray for my
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, you see?
No problem. I think it's not warm yet. I'm gonna get off the towels.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Tell it, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. You in the city, phone me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass. All access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the
This is the bathing suit that I'm wearing.
You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I
just wanted to end out this video. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and happy Father's Day to my father, all the men in my family. Can you stop? Can you like focus? Thank you. All the men in my family, and most importantly, my baby. I hope he had a good Father's Day. It seemed like he had a good Father's Day. But I'm about to end this vlog out here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click the notification button so you don't want to drop a video. Get caught up on all my old videos, and stay tuned for more videos. I love you guys so much.
He's very friendly.
Bye.
It's a busy in between your